Well, good morning folks. It's Sunday the 13th of May and I'm back in Tyndrum rather excitedly because I am here this morning to climb a Munro that I have been wanting to climb for such a long time, and it is a Munro called Ben Lui, and I'll just have a wee pan around here. Ben Lui is this one up here, and Ben Lui is 1,130 metres high, and so going to be a double Munro climb today. So hopefully once we get Ben Lui done, it's going to be this one that's behind my shoulder here, which is Chleibh, which is 916 metres high. So I'm actually starting my wee vlog this morning from a third of the way up Ben Lui because it does take such a long time just to get through the bog and the forest, which is behind me here, because the cars are way over at the other side. So I figured rather than muck about doing pieces to camera through the woods, I would just kind of beat a path up here as fast as I could. So I've probably been walking for about an hour, and probably get another couple of hours before we get to the summit of Ben Lui. But I will check in with you along the way because the views are starting to open up really spectacularly, and yeah, forecast this morning said that it was going to be good even though it was quite rainy, so it is starting to kind of clear up quite a bit and I'm feeling the heat, so I will stop just now and catch you up in a wee while, okay? Bye for now. It's warm today, people. This jacket's going to have to come off soon. Perfect. So I would estimate that I'm probably 3/4 of the way up now. That's the top, there's the summit of Ben Lui up there. So it's been quite an interesting walk up, but I mean, what I probably could tell you about the walk up Ben Lui is that if you're coming from the car park at the Beinn cut off, there's a walk through the forest, and you do have to, well, the first obstacle really is to ford the River Lochy, which is deep, and you could probably waste a lot of time trying to find somewhere to cross. I mean, this morning I just decided just to get the boots on and just grin and bear it, and I did get wet, but the near enough dried out now, and I do have spare socks with me anyway. But yeah, even coming through the forest is very boggy, and this was the one morning I never brought my gaiters, and I'm feeling it. My feet are soaking and my bottom of my trousers are soaking, but I've got my lighter trousers on, so at least that's something. So opening up behind me is Beinn, which is over there. So the idea being is that we're going to go up to this summit of Ben Lui up this way, along that ridge over there and up to the summit of Beinn, and then back down to the Bealach, and then back down the same way. And I'm not bothered about getting wet or muddy on the way down because it's on the way home anyway. So I'm trying to think if there was something else I wanted to say. And normally, if you ever watch any YouTube videos, most folk, or the more spectacular view of Ben Lui is from the other side, the Loch Lochy side. Here we have one of my favourite mountains, which is on my to-do list for next year. Ben Lui. Just look at how amazing that mountain is. And I can't wait to get up there. So if I do a wee pan around nice and slow, the weather today is just fantastic. Coming over to they'll be in shadow, but these are the Chleibh hills. Amazing. What a day. It has turned out to be so beautiful. The view of Ben Lui from that direction is nothing short of breathtaking. But we still have some decent views. So the wind's picking up now, so I'm going to sign off at the moment and catch you further on up, okay? Bye for now. So, the views are amazing. I just wanted to point out that over my shoulder here is Ben Lui, which is another Munro that is definitely on my to-do list for some time. Maybe this year, if not, maybe next year, but that's a phenomenal day out, that one. And yeah, not long now to the top, so let's go. first summit, but not the real one, over there.